Namaskara. This is the negative relative participle video. We already finished present relative participle, past relative participle. This is a negative relative participle. Okay. So I've struck out everything else and kept only the negative relative participle. The work that you did not do was done by him. So this pattern is what we are trying to learn. Okay, again the verb list, where 7 of them are regular verbs and 8 of them are irregular verbs. And this is negative relative participle. There is nothing like irregular. All of them are regular. Only for past tense, you will have irregular verbs. Present, negative, future will all be regular. The work that you did not do, he did. ನೀನು ಮಾಡದ ಕೆಲಸ ಅವನು ಮಾಡಿದ. So you see how subtle this is, right? Madada. So how you get the negative participle is you take madu, remove the u, and add the. Okay, madada means did not do, right? Madida means he did. He did. Avanu madida. He did. It's actually avanu madidanu, but nobody uses the anu and all. So avanu madida. So if you say madida, right, means he did. Madada means that which is not done. Okay, so that is the subtlety that you have to deal with. Okay, Madada and Madida. So the movie that you did not watch, I watched. Neenu nodada movie. Nanu nodide. Nanu nodide. If you want to say avanu nodida, it will be the A will not be there. Nanu means nodide. Avanu nodida. Okay. The story that you did not tell, I told. Neenu ಹೇಳದ ಕತೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ. So I purposely kept it in this pattern for you to understand ಹೇಳದ. It's not ಹೇಳಿದ. So the moment you say ಹೇಳಿದ means he told. ಹೇಳದ means that which was not told. That is the beauty of Kannada. The question that you did not ask, I asked. ನೀವು ಕೇಳದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ. Okay. The news that you did not inform, I informed. ನೀವು ತಿಳಿಸದ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಾನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದೆ. The book that you did not show, I showed. ನೀನು ತೋರಿಸದ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ. ತೋರಿಸದ. Okay. So how you form negative relative participle? You take the verb torisu. Okay. Remove the u, it becomes torisa. Add the to it. Torisada means that which you did not, that which was not shown. This Nino is it. See, actually, if you take the Orisada, it doesn't tell first person, second person, third person because it's common. Avanu Torisada, Nino Torisada, Avlu Torisada, everything. So it is that which was not shown is this Torisada. That which was not informed is Telisada. Okay, it doesn't have any information about the tense. It doesn't have information about um, the person, first person, second person, third person. Okay, maybe we can say tense wise it is talking about a past tense, that which was not informed, which means it is indicating past tense, but it doesn't tell anything about the person, whether it's first person, second person, third person, masculine, feminine, neuter, because it's common for everything. So ನೀನು ತಿಳಿಸದ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಾನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದೆ. Then the parcel that you did not send, he sent. ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸದ parcel ಅವನು ಕಳಿಸಿದ. See the subtlety. Kalisada, kalisida. Kalisada means that which was not sent. Kalisida, he sent. The people who were not present in the meeting are sleeping. Meeting alli irada janaru malagutta iddare. Okay. And the temple that we did not go is very famous. Navu hogada devasthana bahala khyatavadudu. Hogada, hogu, hogada. The formula is very straightforward for all verbs. Just remove, if it is u, just remove the u and add the. If it is non-u, right, hidi for example, we'll see that you have to add ya to it. We'll see it. Then the boy who did not come there is my son. Alli barada hudaga nanna maga, the one who did not come. Barada, baru barada. Again, u is removed. As you know, baru is is irregular in the past. Baru is banda. But if you're making negative, you take the baru, remove the u and add the barada. The food that he did not bring was wasted. Avanu tarada taru. Taru tarada. Avaru tarada uta waste aitu or vyartha aitu. Okay. The medicine that you did not take is good for your health. ಸೊ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳದ ಔಷಧಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ತಗೊಳ್ಳದ. The opportunity that you did not get, I got. ನಿನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕದ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು. ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು. Okay. Then the umbrella that you did not hold flew away. ನೀವು ಹಿಡಿಯದ ಛತ್ರಿ ಹಾರಿ ಹೋಯಿತು. ಹಾರಿ ಹೋಗು means fly away. Okay, haru is to fly. Right? So this is hidi. Hidi is e ending. So e and a ending verbs, you have to add ya. Hidiyada. Okay. So this is basically the last table. Okay, I filled up this table for the negative relative participle. Just a quick summary. We have all the verbs here. We have present relative participle, which we completed, past relative participle, which we completed, present verbal participle yet to complete, past verbal participle yet to complete, negative relative participle is what we did today. So madu madada, that which was not done. Nodu nodada, that which was not seen. Helu helada, that which was not told. Kelu kelada, that which was not asked. Tilisu tilisada, that which was not informed. Torisu torisada, that which was not shown. Kalisu kalisada, that which was not sent. Iru irada, that which was not present. Agu agada, that which did not happen. Hogu hogada, that which was not gone. Baru barada, that which was not that which had not come. Taru tarada, that which was not brought. Togullu togollada, that which was not taken. Sigu sikkada, that which was not got. Hidi hidiyada. So sigu, you notice we cannot say sigada, it is sikkada. Okay, hidi, you have to e and a ending, you have to add a ya. Otherwise, you just have to remove the u and add the. That's your negative relative participle. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.